Hi, so today we're gonna be doing a video I'm like super excited to make. I just ordered this from the Dashing Diva website, and when I was looking for the stickers, I noticed they had like a semi-cured gel also. I had no idea. So I'm going to test these two out today. I'll wait for these for next time, I guess, because they're like more Valentine's Day, so I should hold off on that also. But yeah, I'm gonna try these two out. I haven't even opened the box, so this should be interesting. I hope they match. I got silver mirror and silver twinkle. I'm thinking I'll do all mirror and an accent with the twinkle. I guess we'll see. So just by looking at the box, there's the instructions. Looks really similar to the Ohora. Yeah, it's designed in South Korea, made in South Korea. So it comes with 2 sticker sheets. Okay, just looking at the instructions, making sure it's exactly like the other one. Okay, it says it requires only 1 curing session. Okay. And it has the file that I like, a nice big file, and the orange stick. And the size looks pretty good, because compared to the Ohora ones, I feel like they're maybe made for smaller fingers. I don't know, but there's more small. I should go grab one and compare. So this would be a new box of Ohora gel. This one is in Love, Love, Love. So this would be the bigger one, and then the smaller one. And I think this would be the bigger one and the smaller one. Hard to compare just because this is like also a 1 color one versus like a mix. I think sometimes they give you less when it's a mix, or what do you call? Let's see, yeah. I don't know if you can see this one. So there's what, like 8, 16, 9, 18 on this one. 16 and 18. This one has 14 and 16. Sorry, can't do the math. But yeah, so it looks like you get more with these, but the sizing is a little different. I only say that because like I can't use these ones like ever unless I cut it like on the sides, which sometimes I do, but it's not ideal because it's not as like tapered. So I usually like I would not be able to use this one or this one. I definitely can use these and down. This one, I wouldn't be able to use this one, but I could. I might not be able to use this one either. So if I compared the ones that are usable, you still get more, which is good. I can't remember the prices. They're about the same. I want to say maybe the Ohora was like $1 or $2 more. I don't know. So we'll see how they work out. But I'll show you the nail file that comes with it that I don't like because it's so small. Like the stick is the same, but this one is at least wide. They were smaller before, I think, but it's way easier to use this one. Plus this one is nice and smooth. Like this is smooth, this is like a fine grit, and this is more gritty than this one on both sides. But I like the really fine grit one. But yeah, I love Ohora, so this will be really interesting. Okay, so first thing, I'm going to use a prep pan, and it comes with 2 per box. Same as with the Ohora, there were 2 in there. And I already prepped my nails, like I filed them somewhat buff. You don't really want it smooth, so I just buff for some of the creases, or what do you call it, the ridges, and I cut the cuticle sides. I'm going to try to do the same method I do with my other one, which is cutting in half, and also using the more tapered side on my right hand, because I tend to just do more with that, and I hate it when it gets caught in my hair. I have long hair, so it's really bothersome. So I'll go ahead and fast forward through this part because we've all seen it before. And these actually seem shorter, but I'm gonna cut it in half anyway and see if it stretches. It's really nice and shiny though. I like this silver. It does stretch. So that's good. The silver is really nice. It's not reflective, but it looks like a gel silver, not like silver nail polish. So these feel softer than these ones. Just an observation. Actually, I should open this one too. Okay, so this is the silver Twinkle. I'm wondering if it matches well. Maybe I'll do thumb and index with silver, and then or is that weird? Does that match? Well, we'll try it out anyway. Does it have the same amount? Yes, it does. This is the bigger one. This is the smaller one. So it looks like they just come with more, which is good. It's always good. I really like this silver though, it's very promising. What if one tried to mention that there was much more? So I just realized my video cut off midway through putting on the stickers. But don't worry, you didn't miss much, just a lot of fouling and UV light. So what I did was I put on the stickers. I ran over the cuticle and the edges with this stick, and I cut the excess off. I cured it one time, and then I used the Ohora top coat. I kept the edges, did one coat of the top coat, and cured it once. Then I used the file to just smooth down any rough spots. But yeah, so the regular Ohora lasts about 10 days. The Dashing Diva stickers usually last about 12, sometimes 14, just because I think they're thinner and I get less hair snagging. So we'll see how long these last. This one, you know, they're both actually even prettier in person. I'm not sure if you can tell, but the glitter is really nice. kind of hard to see. And the silver looks more shiny than in the picture. So I'm happy about that. But yes, we will see how long this lasts with my busy lifestyle. And yeah, thanks for watching. If you like this kind of video, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.